In the heart of summer, children and adults alike can explore the wonders of science outside. Nature-based learning fosters curiosity and creativity, starting with simple outdoor experiments. For instance, measuring the pH of soil changes when adding natural substances like vinegar or baking soda can teach acidity concepts. Building a mini solar oven out of a cardboard box can show the power of the sun while cooking s'mores. Or create a rain gauge from a plastic bottle to track rainfall and understand weather patterns. The best part? These experiments enhance scientific knowledge while instilling a love for our planet, making education a thrilling adventure.